Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. How you all doing? I hope you're all keeping well. In today's video I'm coming to you with a Glossybox unboxing video for the month of April, and I do have the box right here. It came in this pink packaging, of course, and in today's video we are going to go ahead unbox this, find out what kind of goodies we'll receive for this month. I'm quite excited to see what kind of goodie they have packed for us. So before I begin unboxing this, quickly let you know what our Glossybox is all about. It is of course a beauty monthly subscription. You do pay €15 every month to get the box delivered to your door, and they also do have options. You can choose to go monthly, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months for your payment option, and that is pretty much it. And I do have a discount code for you guys. You can get 20% off your first order. I'm going to leave all those information down below so you can check that out. So let's get into the box. I'm going to remove the lid, and right away we can see that's how the inside looks like, of course. So we do get a magazine, and this usually comes in every box. Every month we do get a magazine in there, just to let you know what kind of goodies you are receiving, and also the prices and the information as well. So for this month it is of course Blossom edition, which is this magazine right here, and of course we do have all the information in here and etc, etc. So let's go ahead and see what that was the sneak peek. I'm excited for this product already. So you guys, the first product I see here is from MÄRZ and Mia. It is an eyeshadow stick, which of course looks like this. So that is the product right there. So it is an eyeshadow stick, and this color looks lovely. It's more like a champagne color. Look how beautiful this color looks, you guys. That is pretty. It is of course a champagne color that you can use to highlight your brow bone or your inner corners, and I'm going to actually just put a little bit right now. Why not? Oh, that looks good. I like I put too much. This looks nice. I'm happy with this one here, and you can use it to highlight your inner corners as well, which is quite amazing. So this is of course a MÄRZ and Mia eyeshadow chubby stick, which I'll be using because the color is amazing. All right, let's move on, you guys. Now we do have of course this product that I was excited about because I saw this at the sneak peek, and it is from Anaconda Beauty. It is called blush and highlighter, which of course looks like this. So that's the packaging right there. You can see it comes in this packaging, and let's go ahead and open this and find out. And can I get this one to open? Whoa, that looks stunning, you guys. Should I swatch it? Hold on, let me show you first. You guys, look at that. Look how the colors looks in there. This looks amazing. This looks beautiful, and I would definitely be trying this. So we are getting 3 different actually shades here. So we do have, let me quickly swatch them. Hold on, clean hands. So the first one here, and we have this one, and then the highlighter. So we have 3 of them right here. So we have a matte blush, shimmer blush, and then a highlighter over there. And I'll swatch them right next to the eyeshadow stick. And if you can see them properly there, so that's how they look like swatch. I mean, I did not put too much, just a little bit there, but the colors looks not too bad. I like the blush, they look beautiful, and even the highlighter, it's not it doesn't look like it's extremely intense, but it still doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that is a beautiful product that I'm looking forward to be trying. And what I'll probably do with this one is just take your brush and go around it, mix everything together and just apply it. I won't really apply it now because I do have too much highlighter going on here, but I'll be testing this in the upcoming videos. But that is a wonderful product, and wow, happy with this one here. So that is from Anaconda Beauty. Blossom blush and highlighter. Lovely. All right, what do we have next? We have nail polish. This color, how did they know that this is actually the color that I usually go for? Look at this color, you guys. If you know me, you've been following me long enough, you know those are my kind of color that I usually go for, and that is stunning, by the way. So be your incredible self with nails ink, and it is in the shade Blossom Kisses. Now that is a stunning shade that definitely I see myself using for sure. If you guys know me, those are my colors that I use. So wonderful, a nail polish. Cannot wait to try this one. And what else do we have in here? We have something from Rituals. Okay, so this one is the Ritual of Jean, your path to inner peace. It is written in such a small amount, but I can see. So it is a sleep deep sleep pillow mist. Oh, okay, looks like this. And what does this one say? I'm interested. All right, let me just quickly try a little bit. Oh, that smells very, very lavender. So we have the flavor here, which is sacred wood and lavender. Of course, I can smell lavender quite strong there, but I don't mind lavender. So I'm quickly going to read how to use this product and what is it actually for, because we need to know a little bit. So description says, enhance the quality of your sleep with this magic, the Ritual of Jean pillow mist, enriched with sacred wood and lavender to help clear the mind and promote the quality of sleep. This pillow and lining spray sets your mind to sleep easily. Oh, okay. And then it goes saying, finish your day with this relaxing fragrance and turn your bedtime routine into a well-balanced sleep promoting routine. That is cool. I will try this, see if it works. I'll let you know, guys, if that works. So how to use, of course, sprays 3 times into your pillow for the perfect night's sleep. Wait for a few minutes before lying down. And also you can, just spray this before brushing your teeth, so that when you go to bed, everything is there. And wow, okay, that is interesting to actually know, to hear about this product here. So I will use this one tonight and see if I will get a good night's sleep. So next one we have, of course, what is this? Oh, Dead's Hands from Below, if that's how you say it. So it is this product right here, and this one is, of course, hand foam. Okay, so interesting, hand foam. All right, let's see. All right, why can I'm going to in my hand. Whoa. I put about that much. Okay. Ooh, smells nice, but a little bit stronger. So have it over here. All right, and this one here contains pro vitamin E, and also as well as almond oil and avocado oil. So that, I think I put too much. That sounds like, nutrition for my hands. But smells nice. A little bit stronger, the scent, but I think I can get past that, because it's not extremely, overpowering to the point that I get a headache. It's just yeah, it smells not too bad. It's just a little bit stronger for my liking. And this one here is supposed to, hydrate your hands, so, which is lovely, because I do have dry hands, like really dry hands, you guys. So anything that can actually keep them nice and moisturized and hydrated, I'm up for that. All right, let's move on to our last product that I think here. And you guys, we do get a mask. Yes, a sheet mask, which is this one right here. So that is how the mask looks like. It says brightening right at the top here, and it says cherry blossom sheet mask. with brightening effect for radiant complexion. So that is a sheet mask right there. It's only one sheet, and I'll definitely use this and see what results we'll get from this. So it says apply face, apply to the face, leave for 20 to 30 minutes, and then remove. So those are the instructions right at the back here. And yeah, they even have some pictures on how to, how you can actually go about applying this. So that is wonderful. And you guys, this concludes everything that I received in my April gloss box, and I have to say that I'm quite happy with the amount of product, I'm quite happy with the products that of course they have included for this month, because I am already excited to be using this. As you can tell already, nail polish, that is definitely me. I love the color. This will get a lot of use. This chubby eyeshadow stick, of course, the champagne color. Who doesn't use an Anaconda highlighter or brow bone highlighter? This will be the one for that job, so we'll use that one. And of course, this pillow mist that I will put to test. I'll use this one tonight. Actually, I'll use this and see how well I'm going to sleep, and let you know, guys, in my upcoming videos. And of course, the mask, you know how much I love my mask. I use them all the time, and this one I'll be trying it for the first time, but I'm looking forward to see what I'll get from there. And the blush and highlighter, and then this one, you guys, everything in this box blow my mind away. I think we got some really awesome products in here, and I am looking forward to see what the May box brings, because this is already, awesome products here. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to check out the information down below for the the gloss box. And yeah, go have a good one. Lots of love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and ring your bell so that we are notified every time I upload a new exciting video. Go have a good one, take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next one. Bye for now.